And let's do this one here. What are the roots approximately? What are the roots or the zeros for this quadratic function? And remember, just in case you don't remember, the roots and zero is the points where it crosses the x-axis. Awesome. Yes, it's hard to get this one exact, but it's kind of this one is about oh, I can't write on my screen here. The one on the left is when I move my mouse. Can you see where I move my cursor though? Yes. Okay, cool. So the one right here on the left side it's about negative two and a half zero, and this one looks like it's 2 0. So remember, it's negative on to the left of the y-axis and positive to the right of the y-axis. Okay. So just a quick review there. Any questions about that?